Today we're going to install running boards on a 2009 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. This is the driver's side. I already have the passenger side installed, so let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so we have a series of screws. We have 3 main for the main bolts right there. Then we have these 6 of these for these side bolts right here. And installing it on the other side, let me go ahead and get upside down. I noticed that these were a little bit of a pain, so what I am going to do is I am going to remove these from here for right now. There it is. These are not aligned properly, as you can see, which causes the screw not to go in. See, it's crooked, and what you have to do is pretty much align those up correctly in order for the screw to go in, otherwise it will not screw. First I thought it was the wrong size screws, but flip it around, it's perfect. See, it's screwed in. So what I am going to do to fix this, I'm actually going to go ahead and cut this from here. So let me go ahead and cut that off. Alright, what I'm going to do was 2 pliers, some needle nose, and with the needle nose I'm going to pinch it there, and with this one here I'm going to pull up and back and forth until we snap that off. Alright, there is our broken piece, and here it is, nice and fixed. Now we'll be able to slide this back into place and screw this bad boy on with no problems. Alright, and we're going to do the same thing to this one here. There is a total of 2, one up in the front, one here in the middle. Then the third one is screwed onto frame actually. So let's go ahead and break this little tab off here. Now let's go ahead and put these back into its location, and we're ready to throw the running board into place, bolting it down with its main screws. Alright, and there they are back into place. And what you could actually do is pinch these so that way they get a nice good grip. And now we're ready to mount this on there. Alright, and we're going to go ahead and secure those bolts with a size 13 socket. Alright, and once you have this nice and secured, we're going to grab these 10mm bolts and we're going to slide them right in between the holes, and we're going to go ahead and secure them with 2 10mm wrenches. Alright, let's go ahead and secure those down. I have a speed ratchet on this side, so that will help me a lot better to tie this down. And once you have everything secured, you're set. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.